a letter from a friend immediately after she had entered the Poor Clare convent at Siena at the age of 20. I see a heart apart from all mankind upon the page, and caged for evermore is this the soul that wrote a sound too kind to be too soon forgot. A little door has clapped upon the roaming of a will, that in a last fond clasp, not deadened quite, held on to what a kiss left ever still, unused and tranquil in thine unreached night. O little bond of being, left between a cloister and a cloister, very near and very far away. A virgin clean and pure of all man's sharing, in a tear I saw not but discerned, did leave a mark. And wimpled now's the night, and 'twill be dark